The OPR Tailgate Liftgate glass weather stripping is for those of you that have a 1997 to 2006 TJ that are looking for a factory-like replacement for this weather stripping. So this is going to be the stripping that goes on the bottom of your hardtop glass here and seals against another piece of weather stripping that goes on the tailgate itself. This is going to be a very easy piece to install, 1 out of 3 wrenches for sure. The most difficult part about this installation is cleaning off some of the old adhesive, giving this a nice clean surface to sit on, but I'll show you how I did that in just a second. So weather stripping in general is something that's going to wear down, it's going to break down over time. So whether yours is just a little ugly looking and you're looking for a visual refresh, or yours just doesn't seal anymore and you're getting some moisture in, replacing it is going to be a very good idea, and doing it from OPR is going to save you some money over going directly to Mopar. Anytime you go to the dealership and get one of these parts, you're going to pay a little bit more for it, but OPR does a really nice job of building something that for all intents and purposes is OE. It fits just like a factory part would, but it is going to save you a couple of dollars. This is going to come in around $25 as opposed to the higher prices you'll pay at the dealership, and I think that this is worth every dollar of that. So like I said before, easy install here. Let me show you how we did it. All you need for this installation is something to clean off your old adhesive. We used a flathead screwdriver and also an alcohol-based cleaning wipe to make sure that the area is completely clean. All we have to do to get that installed is first remove the factory piece. So as you can see on the new piece, there's a little bit of adhesive here, so we can tell exactly how this one is stuck on there. It's going to be stuck right to the bottom of the glass, so we know where we need to pry and where we need to pull. And that's really all you have to do is give this a tug here, and this piece is going to come right off for us. So before installing the new piece, we're going to remove a little bit of the adhesive that's left behind on the glass itself. Now this is a plastic piece here, so we don't want to go crazy with any sort of razor blade or anything like that that you might be inclined to use. We're just going to use a screwdriver and carefully remove the bulk of that adhesive. Once we scrape the bulk of the adhesive off, we're going to go ahead and use an adhesive remover to get any last bits off and try and clean this area the best we can so that the new adhesive sticks. Once you have the area nice and clean and wiped down again with an alcohol prep pad, you don't want to leave any sort of oils or anything from your fingers that might impair the adhesive from sticking. So once it's nice and clean, all you have to do is get this piece installed, your new piece. So what we're going to do is go ahead and peel up a little bit of a corner of the backer, and we're going to peel that into a position where we can pull on it from the front, basically. So we're going to be able to get everything nice and lined up before we expose the rest of the adhesive. So just pull the corner up here so that it's accessible for you. Get this lined up. The corners sort of hook on the corners of the glass there, so you can get that seated. That's about where it's going to sit all along the way. And it is a little bit of a tight fit, so don't be afraid to stretch it a little bit. And again, it'll hook on this side, it'll hook on the other side, and it'll pretty much sit right there. So once you have it lined up, then all you have to do is pull on this new tab that you made, and as you pull, just give it a little bit of a push to make sure it's going to stick down and seat where you want it. So once you've removed all the backing, just go back through again, make sure that the weather stripping is firmly stuck onto the bottom of the glass, and then you're done. You close your glass, close your tailgate, and you're finished. So if you are looking to replace this piece of weather stripping, I would recommend going with this option from OPR, and you can find it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.